Hi, this is Ignatius Chico Ujomor, your regular host on Ujomor Consulting uh, website, a website that is dedicated to web development for individuals and companies at a cheap rate. Also, we offer domain name sales and transfers. We also provide um, web hosting services, SEO optimization for those that are interested in going viral on the internet at a relatively cheap cost. We also handle social media management, branding, and handling. In addition, we provide a free counseling or consultation services for entrepreneurship purposes. If you have an idea and you find difficult to start, you don't know where to begin, this is an opportunity. Take advantage of that, and we are ready to work with you to make sure that you get connected to your dream, to your desire, and shoot up as you wish. So that's for that. Now, in this video, I want to show us how we can use the chat platform, or several ways we can contact Ujomor Consulting in case if we need services, or we have issues with our account or anything, whichever purpose for your contacting us. I want to quickly show us different ways. To see these options, we can just quickly go to Ujomor Consulting website, and then from the top you can see some number which you can call. You can call any of this number. If you are a French speaker, you can call this number. If you are an English speaker, you call this number and channel your message, and we will respond accordingly. You can also send message. Just look at this address, info at ujomor.com. You can utilize that. And if you also go to the bottom, you will see more address, support at ujomor.com, the info at ujomor.com, and the same numbers. And if you can't come to our address, there's no problem. We will always use those opportunity to reach out. And when you look at this right corner, you will see this circle, blue circle here. This is chat, live chat option. You can also use to contact us, and you'll find it all around the pages if you need our services. So today I'll be demonstrating how you can use the chat. But the first thing you need to do, just the first thing, because that is where we get connected with you, and from there we can always give you the lead. So when you click on it, it will pop up. It's popping up this way because you are not a logged in user. If you're a logged in user, you're going to see something quite different. You're going to see maybe just a smaller space on it. So if I say, okay, this is it, let me fill my name. Okay, it's me Sunday. Okay, and my email address. Why it is important to fill these two fields is, if we have to communicate with you, we need to know who we are talking with and make a proper reference. So it's always ideal you fill those two information, so that we always make reference to the person. Ideally, though they are optional, but the email address will also help you to archive your chat history, so that you can send them to your email directly. We can always help you to send it to you by email, so that you can always make reference to it whenever you need. So let me say I'm entering my email now. Then the third place is department. You need to choose department, very compulsory, because if you don't identify the department you want to talk with, it's very difficult for us to really know what you are talking about or what is your challenge. Or if you choose the wrong department, you may end up spending more time on transfer. So it's appropriate if you are talking about sales, go to sales, talking about support, go to support, and talking about development, go to development, so that we can easily point out that this is the department in charge of it. Further now, let's take support. So you can type your message here. Okay, let's say this is your challenge. So you're talking of support. You don't need to look for where to send, just hit your enter button, and then it's waiting for connection. Definitely we're going to receive a notification, which you also see somewhere on the screen here. So you see the notification, waiting for that department to respond, and in a matter of few seconds or minutes you'll be connected, and from there you can always chat on. So you can always chat on, and now you can see there's a response back to the client. With this, you can always respond, okay, my my account is unable to log in, and however you want to put it, and then you send. Will always receive the message and reply immediately, and we can as well give you some assistance, direct assistance. Okay, let's say, okay, how do I find how do I find the link to registration, the link to register. So let's say this is the question you are asking, which require going through some step. So the response to the question, and then our admin or staffs can always give you feedback. So with this, you can just click on the link and you are there. Or you can also, how do so you can ask any question as much as you can, and we are always ready to help. And this is one thing that makes it readily Ujomor Consulting readily available for everyone to benefit from our web development process. We work with you all through your challenges, all through your happy moments, and make sure that you are enjoying the best of the services. But this is not just where it ends. We have more things to provide for you. Just try our services and see how you will be happy with the results. Thank you for watching. This is Ujomor Consulting Service. I'm your host, Ignatius Chika Ujomor.